Hello guys, I wanted to show you how to earn money using this website, and I'm going to show you the steps on how to get the best earnings here. So you can see that people have already registered and they have already earned $4,700. So I'm going to show you how to be part of this. Just use the link down in the description of this video. But for me, I have already registered, so you have to create your own account. You'll be seeing the way of how to create an account. They tell you to put in your username, enter the password, and confirm it. So for me, I'm just going to log in into my account. Let me log in. So let me log into my account. I have to click in submit. I have to click here in submit after verifying everything. So this is my account. You can see that in my dashboard, I have already earned 104 points, and I have a purchase balance of 0.55 points. I'm going to show you how to earn using this amount, how to earn using this website. So, and I'm going to show you how to register and how to maximize your earnings. Now, first of all, you need to click in the three bars in the corner. These are all the earning section here in this website. So I'm going to show you each and everything. First, here you can click in view surf ads. Here you can just watch ads and earn money. So you can watch this ad for 10 seconds and earn 5 points. And when you earn these 5 points, you'll be also given a rotary point. For example, let me try to earn using one ad here. So if I click in an ad, they will direct me to this board. So I have to click in go. So if I click in go, they redirect me to the website. So you have to stay here for 10 seconds. After the 10 seconds, then you can go back and then you'll be earning your money. So you can see here, let me wait for those 10 seconds to end. Now the 10 seconds are done. So if I come back to the website, you can see now they have verified me that I've watched the ad. So you have to click submit. Now here you can see that I've earned also one lottery point. So I'm going to show you how to use this lottery ticket. So if I come back to the dashboard, you can see that I have earned 1 point on the lottery. So I'm going to show you how to check for lottery. So the balance has been added to my account. So if I come here, where to find my lottery ticket, you have to click here in the earn more section. So I have to click in lottery, and this is where your lottery is. So you can see that I have already bought 172 tickets, and here in these tickets you can earn, if you are the number one who bought many tickets, you'll be earning 80,000 points. I'm going to show the rate of these coins. So the second method of earning is by completing show links. There are many show links here which you can earn with. Each link has its amount it pays you, so just need to click any show link, complete it for a few seconds, then earn your points. If I come back here, there is this section called offer wells, but for this you have to be active on this website for at least 3 days so that you can start earning from these offer wells. So the last way of earning, the second last way of earning is by coming here to faucet. Now every hour you'll be given a chance to claim. Now you can see here, this is the button, so I can claim from 10 to 100 point every 60 minutes. That is a full hour. If I click to claim, here I have to verify. Here I have to verify that you're not a robot. So can check out for how to verify. So just need to verify. Let me verify for a few seconds. Then I have to click that I'm not a robot so that I can earn my reward. So follow the steps in the video so that you can earn money here in this website. So just need to click in claim. Now this balance, you earn a free ticket also. This balance is added to your dashboard. If I come here back to the dashboard, you can see that the balance has been added in the purchase balance, and I'm going to show you how to use this purchase balance to earn more money. So this purchase balance earns you lottery, or if you want to advertise, you can use that balance. But in case of you, if you want to earn big, so you have to use this money to buy lotteries. So just need to come and buy lotteries. When you buy this lottery, they can give you a chance of earning or participating in these games whereby you can earn up to 8,000 points. So the last way of earning is by clicking to earn, then come where it says timer faucet. And here in timer faucet, you can earn big money. Just need to put down your phone and earn every 60 seconds. You earn 1 point, and it is added to your balance. And here, if I come back to the dashboard, the last thing I could show you is how to withdraw money. So here to withdraw money, the withdrawn money is in the balance section, not on the purchase balance. This purchase balance helps you to buy lotteries or to start advertising on this website. Now to withdraw money, just need to click in withdraw. Here withdrawals are processed on the faucet pay wallet, and you can choose any coin you like. Now I'm going to show the rate of the coin. If I come to tether, now for 100 coins, since I have 109 coins, 100 points are equivalent to 0.01. So in case of $1, it is equivalent to 10,000 points. So here you can earn up to a maximum of $100 if you want. But if you have less time, you can earn from $10 to $5 a day. So that is how you can earn. So to withdraw money, just need to have a Faucet Pay email address are processed on Faucet Pay Wallet. Faucet Pay Wallet is a wallet that holds micropayments. Now you can register it, and the link also will be down in the description of this video. So to withdraw your money, you need to get that email address from your Faucet Pay. That's what you have to put here, the email address which you use to register the Faucet Pay. So that is my email address here. So I'm going to withdraw money here. So I'm just going to click in submit. If you click in submit, they say that the account must be at least 7 days old to withdraw money. So you can be earning here money on a daily basis as you want. So if after those 7 days you can start withdrawing your money freely. Now that is it for today. Thank you for watching the video.